G'day everyone. I like to support my local retailers, but when there's FOMO, local loyalty goes out the window. I've likely paid extra to buy this model from overseas, but with low confidence for a local supply, it was the only option. Three-time Australian Supercars champion Shane van Gisbergen won his very first NASCAR race on July 3rd last year. Within days, Salvinos JR Models confirmed production of the Kiwi's Camaro. The model hit the market about 3 months later, which was a pretty impressive effort from Salvinos. Americans were buying and building the model, but even several months after release, none, as far as I was aware, had hit the Aussie hobby shops. In December, one of the major retailers in Melbourne advised me they were not expecting delivery until March, and they weren't even sure of what numbers they were going to get, but I was encouraged to put in a pre-order. No thank you, I'm not going to commit to something when there's a risk of missing out on it. A different retailer told me that they won't be getting any more Salvinos kits because, and I quote, people won't pay that sort of price for that type of model. That's their words, not mine. I know there were Australians ordering the model from US websites, and doubting that the local retailers will obtain stock, I've done likewise. In fact, I ordered two, a modelling mate of mine also not wanting to miss out on the Van Gisbergen car. It raises a question for me though, regarding Salvino's upcoming IndyCar model. I'm sure there's a market here for the Willpower and in particular a Scott McLaughlin version, but if there are delays for the local retailers to receive stock, fear of missing out will kick in again. The hardcore enthusiasts will buy from overseas, which will just dilute what's left of the market here for if stock does arrive. Anyway, there are lots of parts in this kit, 2 decal sheets, rubber tyres and so on. I've noticed there is a bit of flash and some heavy seam lines in places, so it looks like there'll be a bit of cleanup involved, but I'll get more into that when I start the actual build blog. If you want to see all the parts in this kit, keep watching this video as there's footage of all the sprues. To see the builds I'm working on right now, check out the website. Go to wixie500.com and click Current Projects. Until next time, cheers.